Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video on some quick lunch ideas. Now, what I'm doing with all that's going on, instead of giving the little ones an actual lunch, I actually split it up and give it to them separately. Because what I notice is they'll eat the main course, and because they're so active and they're running around and stuff like that, they'll skip the vegetables, and I don't want them doing that. So I kind of give it to them separate, the vegetables, the fruit first, or the vegetable and the fruits first, and then I go ahead and give them the main course. So this is what we have for our quick, what is that? Get away. So what we have here is a cucumber salad. So this is our vegetables. And what I have on here is just some cucumbers, some cheddar cheese with Monterey Jack cheese, and some pumpkin seeds and some sunflower seeds. And then I have, for this one particular, the person likes Italian dress, so that's on here. And then for my mom's, I went ahead and did ranch, and I also added tomatoes onto hers for my husband and my mom. They'll eat tomatoes, so I went ahead and sliced that up for them. But anyway, these are just a quick lunch ideas that you can be able to make for your friends, family, or loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and definitely God bless. Well, before I go, what I have also for their vegetables, this isn't all of it. They're also going to have, what is it called? Nuggets and tater tots. And then for the fruit, I'm going to go ahead and give them oranges. So we'll go ahead and show you some of that as well. But for right now, these are just some quick lunch ideas. You can always just do just a cucumber salad and maybe add some meat with it, or you can eat it as is. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.